Hey Joe, sorry it's taking me so long. I'm at home now. No kids, no noise. So the kite stuff, I go to my PLTW and I go up here to my sites and I'll click on Uxbridge High. As far as rostering your students, we're a Clever school, so my students already are in there. So the roster happens through Clever. If you're not a Clever school, there's a rostering process you can use through Project Lead the Way to do that. I believe you have to type everything into a CSV, download a CSV and do it that way. So here's all my classes. First thing you want to do is make sure they're assessment ready. Mine says I have 19 of 19 assessment ready. I'm not going to scroll down and let you see the kids' names and stuff, but that's how that goes. If it's not assessment ready, you'll have to maybe modify the student profiles or have the students do it. They log into my PLTW and they update their profile, and then it says they're ready. So go back to my sites, and I'll come up here to the Kite Educator portal. So this is your Kite portal. A couple of things need to happen in here. To first get the kids onto Kite, you go to Reports, Data Extracts, and then this student login, usernames and passwords. You create a new file, and there we go. It's going to overwrite the old one. That's okay. It's going to take a minute to do this. When it gets done, you just click on it and the students stuff downloads here. You can see I've got daily stuff, student extracts and that kind of thing. Because I was doing it earlier today to make sure I knew how to do it. So yeah, click on here and it will download. Again, I'm not going to open that because it's got all the students' usernames and passwords for Kite, the Kite portal. So you'll see them. I do it as a PDF and I cut them out and I give them to the kids and they are able to log in. Interim, making a test. Build or copy. And I'll build a test here real quick. I'll do a sim test. You can go through this and look at the questions and edit them and modify them if you want. I haven't really messed around with that a whole lot. Click add. And I'll save. And I'll do test 3. So the test was created. Now I can go back to my tests. This is all in interim, which is the practice. And there's where it says test 3. I can assign it to the different groups based on rosters. I can assign it to, oh, the seniors are taking it early here. Here's the seniors. A whole bunch of things I can do in there. Managing the tests and getting the kids login. Well, their login information for Kite, you already have. They're going to need a daily code when it's time to take the test. You get the daily access code, it's right in here. It's manage tests, daily access codes. You'll agree. You'll pick the test. And it'll download the daily access code. This I can open because I'm not gonna, but it's just a code so they can't accidentally go into Kite and take the test on the wrong day or look at it beforehand or something like this. So that's your daily access there. Hope this helps. Let me know.